Should I avoid sugary fruits while on prednisone? That is what a prednisone warrior reached out and asked me in response to a video I made of the 3 or more foods you should avoid while on prednisone. And the reason I recommend to avoid sugar is because prednisone is a glucocorticoid. Gluco meaning glucose meaning sugar. Prednisone is interfering with your ability to break down sugar properly and use it. And so when you eat foods that are high in simple sugars, it can interfere with your ability to have a healthy blood sugar, which can increase your risk for diabetes and weight gain and lots of complications. So that's why one of the 3 foods I recommend you avoid is sugar. And I'm specifically in this case referring to simple sugars like white sugar, brown sugar, honey, agave, things like that, like sweeteners that you're adding to foods because they are such rapidly absorbed and can rapidly affect your blood glucose. Everybody's different in their ability to tolerate sugar containing foods. So when I'm talking about sugary fruits, I'm talking about some people who have full blown diabetes have to adjust their insulin after they were to take something like eating something really sugary like watermelon or bananas or oranges because it's affecting their blood glucose. But if your only concern is prednisone, then whole fruits are a great source of a lot of the nutrients that prednisone is depleting. So it's about finding the balance between, is this food providing other nutrients besides straight up sugar? And if so, good. And I want you to notice I said whole fruits. Drinking juice is pretty much never a good idea while on prednisone because you're not getting the other plant compounds that help blunt the dramatic blood sugar response. For example, eating a whole orange is great. Drinking orange juice, you've removed the fiber, the pulp, the solid particles that slow down your absorption of all the sugar that's in that juice. And that's making it so that your response to that food is much more dramatic. And so if you're going to eat the fruit, eat it whole, eat the full fruit, not just like if you're going to eat the apple and the skin. Don't cut the skin off. The skin is where like the best nutrients you need while on prednisone are. And so eat a whole fruit. And then if you have diabetes or another condition with impaired glucose response, then you need to work with your doctor on that and make sure you're adjusting your diabetes medications appropriately to what prednisone does to your blood sugars. Aside from that, enjoy your delicious, healthy fruits while on prednisone. And if you have any other questions, put them below. Otherwise, I invite you to watch the video, 3 or more foods to avoid while on prednisone, so you can find out what the other 2 are. Signing off as Dr. Megan, your prednisone pharmacist.